Hello, this is Thomas Herbst, and this is my Quarter 2 project on hydrogen. Who/how hydrogen was discovered. Scientists have been making and producing hydrogen long before it was ever recognized as an element. The first to discover hydrogen was Henry Cavendish, an English scientist in 1776. This is what he looked like. He found it during an experiment using zinc and hydrochloric acid, as he noticed water was the product. The types and abundances of hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, and it consists of three different isotopes: 1, 2, and 3. Hydrogen 1 makes up most of the hydrogen gas in nature, about 99%, while hydrogen 2 is the other 1% found in nature. Hydrogen 3 is radioactive and appears in small quantities in nature. Here are the three different isotopes of hydrogen and their abundances. Where is it found in nature? The most common place is obviously the chemical makeup of water. It is estimated that about 90% of the visible universe is hydrogen. There's not a lot of free-floating hydrogen in the air since it is so light that it eventually floats up into space. The only free hydrogen is found underground. Another common place hydrogen is found is in the sun, about 72%, and other stars. Deep inside of the stars, the hydrogen is converted into helium since the pressure is so high, which is a process called fusion. Liquid hydrogen is combined with liquid nitrogen and creates a powerful explosion used as rocket fuel. Here is a little diagram of a rocket that is powered by liquid nitrogen and liquid hydrogen. The chemical and physical properties of hydrogen. Hydrogen has no neutron. It is an odorless, tasteless, and insipid gas in normal conditions. Hydrogen is the most flammable of all the atomic substances, but only when under really high temperatures. If it's not under high temperatures, then it's not very reactive. The future of hydrogen. Now, this idea has been around for quite some time, but it is a potential fuel for automotives. The benefits it has, it will bring tailpipe emissions down to about zero, and all tailpipe emissions is the smog that comes out of your car um, when it's running, and that's bad for the environment. There will the the hydrogen pumps will be found at gas stations, so it would be very convenient for people just to, instead of filling up for gas, they can just fill up for hydrogen. Vice versa, if you were to have like a smart car that's powered by energy, you'd have to change your whole way of fueling your car because you'd have to plug it in at home, and it's just not as convenient as going to a gas station like any regular car would use. The car can be refueled in less than 5 minutes with up to 300-mile driving range, so it's extremely efficient. It's cleaner for the environment since hydrogen is the most abundant element. There's easy access to it. The only downside is that there are very few hydrogen dispensing pumps that have been produced. Here's a picture of a hydrogen pump, and there are my resources. Thank you.